have already accessed the website. Now, if I try to, let me just hit space just so you can clearly see it. You see there's really nothing happening right now, right? As I'm scrolling down and all that. Look what happens as soon as I do refresh. Look, wow. You already see it. At this specific time, someone moved to our HTTP. They wanted to get a GET request. It is a GET request HTTP. They got it. And they were using this particular, you know, and this is, of course, fingerprinting too for the browser. And that's it. And you can also see that it is also Linux. Yeah, this is actually something which I may talk maybe later, but it's quite problematic. I just don't like this idea. It's so stupid. Like, the privacy is gone. Like, they just know who's accessing what. And yeah. And every time you try to press this, you can see that it just shows. And if you had multiple pages, you could then eventually just see which page are they really trying to go. Which you can actually create it. I'm gonna probably maybe even try to create something just to show you that if you access another page, which is usually like this, you say like / some page, it will just go there. You could even do it like index.html. I think it will work. Yeah, it will work. And oh, you can see right there. See, it said get index.html. So it went to that website and then it went to the specific stuff. So usually you can just say, okay, this is particularly the main page that you want to log in. And then, of course, now you go to this website, to this particular one. And if let's say you try to write something like, will it go there? Of course not. It will just give you a page not found. Do we see anything here? Absolutely nothing. It doesn't show anything here. And also you can see, look, it even shows that, oh, this is Apache and it's running at port 80, right? Only port 80 for now. But you can create multiple ports and allow the server to run, people to connect to your website. So that's your logs that's running in. That's your firewall. And for the firewall, let's say I try to deny 80. You do this. Right now it works. Let me just do this one here. I'll try it again. We do get the link. And it's might be a bit questionable here for you. You might be like, why is this the case? I'm actually even interested and I want to know exactly why is this the case. Is it because of the fact that we have the save page is saved? And I will try to just do it. I'll just remove this. I'll just close Tor in a minute. So just to be sure, because I am sure that this will work, unless it doesn't work and I maybe have made a mistake. That the firewall probably works here only on the other one, but it just makes absolutely no sense. It absolutely makes no sense if that were true. So I'll just do the locate I'll just do the yeah, status. Let me just do it like this for now. And then I'll just do the cat. This particular link here. Well, let's see what happens. Will it allow me to get to that website or not? Oh, yeah, it does allow me, surprisingly. Though I'm not sure exactly from which port. Is it really, are they still allowing me from port 20? Oh, sorry, or for port, that's a bit weird. But let's say I try to also, no, but I can't do that. If I try to do this one, it will basically block. I'm not sure exactly. I'm gonna have to investigate this one, but I actually wanted to see if it actually works. But I know that I'm actually interested. I got a bit curious here about this, but anyway, I'll definitely check this one and maybe make another video. What's the reason for this? But why it's doing it? But it shouldn't be doing it because it should be working, logically speaking. But anyway, so in terms of from the proof of concept and just the idea, you can see that it actually works. You can get access to your Onion website, and it's pretty nice. Now, in terms of the IPs, well, these are because you're accessing that particular IP that was set the start when you set it in your tor-c file, basically. So it doesn't really show who's accessing what. That's what makes it anonymous. Well, I guess so, or I could be wrong again about it, but these are the things that I'm still uncertain. But what I know for sure, that this is at least how you can run the server. You can just start it and that's about it. And whenever you just feel like you want to finish, you just have to Control-C. And if you want to refresh, let's see if it will work. I don't think it will work, because the server is down and it's just trying to reconnect to it. And it will probably give this very well-known error that you will see for Onion websites. Oh, the server is down or something, which is exactly what this is. Let's see if it's gonna take a while. But you will see this error that it will say that, oh, the website may be down and all that, and that's because of this. So it's not because of the Apache, I think. Well, it's a little bit interesting here. Not sure exactly what is going on here. Oh, come on, really? Okay, that's a bit weird. That is a little bit weird for sure. Let me check it again. These just keeps saving it in the cache, and then just causes problem for me. I just don't remember exactly whether it was I had to shut down the Apache server and the Tor was still open that it will give me that, or it was if you shut down the Tor. I think it's probably the Apache, not the Tor, but I'm gonna just run the Tor again. I should still turn on. Let's just leave it. And I'll try to, okay, so it's running. So if I do this, see if it opens. It should be opening. And then I'll try to, while that's happening, I'm just going to check the status Apache 2. We can just do the systemctl disable Apache 2. What is going on? Is this not really working? That's weird. That is really weird. One sec. I don't know what's going on, but it should be working. Normally it works, and it's should be fine actually. There we go. So that works. So if I try to now do the disable, now if I just do stop, oh come on, really? It keeps saving it. Oh my god, the browsers be like these days. Let's see. So there we go. So it gives you this one, unable to connect. But this error is the fact that it's just server is probably not available. Firewall is disabling it. But there was another one that I think is basically if you turn down the Tor. And if you try to just do it here, but it just doesn't work. So yeah, I was right. It was actually the Tor itself, but it's not opening it. I mean, it's just not giving me that error. But I guess you will probably know exactly what it is. So anyway, I guess this part was a little bit of a waste of time. Doesn't matter. The point is that you can see that it actually works, and you can always check stuff. You can always, like, set your servers like this. That's basically the whole idea here. For the rest, of course, you can like check. I mean, I don't know, like you can check like Linux commands for the Ubuntu server, which I'll probably try to post a link to it, and you can check it for the Ubuntu if you want. And I think that's basically all for this one here. actually, just in case, because the server is still running here, as you can see. You can technically just do power off if you want, or you can just exit. If, let's say, you want to exit this thing, you just have to write exit here. So you exited the root, but you didn't exit the server yet. If you do this, now you have exited the connection from that particular server. And you can also do always power off. That's it. Isn't that cool? I really like that idea, just like remotely just shut down the whole thing from another terminal. That's pretty nice. Anyway, so that's basically that one. It's been around 40 minutes, so thanks a lot for watching, and if you learned something, just let me know, and that's about it. So, and I'll also check what happened exactly, the reason why port 80 was not denying the onion link, the browser, to get into the website, and then I'll probably make another video about it. So that's all. So thanks for watching, and see you guys next time. So have a good one.